Hi guys, welcome back. See, Zulaiman the Libra, your projects are generally destiny should be main focuses. Cancer, Mercury, and Saturn are inviting you to have a look at your professional life. It is, important future events and to be responsible. Coming to July 2021, main things it means highlights Libra. You will be favored this month and live very peacefully. Not to mention some of their main dreams are going to become a reality until 10. They need to take advantage of any opportunity they are being given to travel as going to some place will have them feeling renewed. When on a trip, those of them who are single any may meet someone very special and fall in love. These natives' social life is amazingly favored as well. As a result, they will get many invitations to parties. Maybe the only one thing to make them feel uncomfortable will be something that will happen at home, where there is a chance for many conflicts. So careful that can't be easily solved to appear. Be patient talking. Therefore, there must be calm and diplomatic if they want to avoid turning some problems into bigger ones. So, your side is you have to be careful and just be calm. Please move from that place. That's enough. Coming to love horoscope for July Libra, enormous chances for single Libras to meet their soulmates while traveling. With this new person may come into their life, they will share the most enjoyable moments, and it's very likely to for their life to turn into something very serious. Those Libras who are already in a long-term relationship will spend unforgettable moments next to their partner if they go on a trip with them on or her. They will strengthen for this romantic connection more than ever, as well as being busy with their social life and going to output together. Out together with their off will done the sum. Okay, July looks like a perfect month for those lovers of balance. Your ruler Venus will be in the sign of Leo right until the 22nd, where it will get the support of Mars until the 29th, as this planet will be in your sign as well. It's more than clear these two will be favoring your emotional life and encourage to be passionate, sensual, also open to express your feelings. It's like universe wants to pamper when it comes to love. Starting with the 23rd, when things will get colder, you need to make plans to be more passionate, rest as much as you need to. Coming to career and financial horoscope. When it comes to their professional lives, Libras will be favored more than ever. Starting with the six, many of them will be mm, sorry, promoted or get a rise as they will have invested many efforts into get their jobs done. Those Libras who need to calm their rivers for their work will favor too. Not to mention, they will obtain even better professional results between the 23rd and 27th. Some of the science natives are going to experience some issues at work or have more confrontations with their bosses and other difficulties, but these problems are going to be temporarily, so they will solve them well. As far as money goes, July can be a bad month for Libras, a month which they are wasting their finances as a result of their native influence surrounding their sign. Children of scales may realize they have no savings, something that will very likely overwhelm them. This is why they should put something aside this month. At least they may be unexpectedly receive some money, so they feel calm when thinking about tomorrow. Health is the wealth this month. Try at least until the 22nd to not to be influenced by the present stress at work. The positive energies of this month should be focused or feeling good or love. You are a delicate person who needs balance in order to function properly. July seems to be a month of calm and relaxation. Many Libras are going to feel healthy, an exception, making those of them who are chronically ill or suffer from allergies. Also, those who don't pay attention to what they're eating. Natives of this sign will have a lot of energy, power to work, so they will very much focus on achieving their goals. It's important they pay attention to their dental health. So they need to pay need to pay the dentist visit. If they want to avoid developing gum or the teeth issues in the future. So what's I meaning here, before that, carefully, that's enough. Use good medicines or good precautions. Old generations is best for teeth. Yes, thank you. Neem is also best, and take decision in the future. And I need a subscription from you. Thank you so much. I'm sorry for that saying like that. Thank you. Bye bye.